Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a clock widget to your Windows 10 or 11 desktop. Super easy, so let's dive right in. First, open the Microsoft Store and search for widgets. Here are lots of apps you can download, any one as you like. Once downloaded, open the app. You'll see several widget options to choose from. Choose your clock widget, customize your clock. There are customization options. Click the Launch Widget button. Wait a few seconds and the clock widget should appear on your desktop. You can move the clock widget anywhere on your desktop. To resize it, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the widget and drag to make it larger or smaller. And that's it. You now have a customized clock widget on your Windows 10 or 11 desktop. If this tutorial helped, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.